Hi, this is Meng of Crafts to Crumbs. Welcome to our inaugural Sweet World segment. We'll be exploring desserts from around the world. This dessert, Khao, is creamy and custardy, pandan forward, but not overwhelming, and yet has a subtle coconut undertone. This dessert is from Laos. It's very popular at events and gatherings. A few notable ingredients: rice flour, tapioca flour, pandan. If you're not familiar with pandan, pandan is like the vanilla of flavorings in Asian cuisine. To make Khao, I'll start with a heavy bottom stock pot. Add 3/4 cup of rice flour, 3/4 cup of tapioca starch, half a cup of sugar, a heaping pinch of salt. Give those dry ingredients a good mix. And then we'll add 1 can of coconut milk and about 1.5 cup of pandan juice, which I made just by blending 6 leaves of pandan with water and then straining it. And because I use frozen pandan leaves, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of pandan extract. And just a drop or 2 of green food coloring. Stir really well to make sure you don't have any clumps at the bottom of your pot. Place that pot over heat set to medium-low. You would do a lot of stirring in this method, but it's crucial to stir in only one direction. Once it starts to thicken and form clumps like that, this is the critical moment. Stir, stir, stir really quickly until it gets smooth. If you don't get a smooth mixture from that point, you'll get clumps in the cakes and it'll crack. You'll want to stir until it gets nice and glossy. Once it gets glossy, you can turn down the heat and just stir for another couple minutes. And then quickly pour it into a pan. Work quickly and try to smooth it out as much as you can. Let that cool completely at room temperature. It could take an hour or 2. Once it's cooled completely, you'll slice or cut. Khao literally translates to cut or slice rice. Once cut, you'll toss that with about a cup of grated coconut and serve at room temperature. It's best served the same day. Delicious, and you get an arm workout. Let me know how you like this segment and this recipe. For more, visit craftstocrumbs.com.